what to do when weight loss slows and plateaus. Okay, so you have obviously been losing weight and now it has slowed down and come to a complete stop. So what should you do to break this weight loss plateau? First and foremost, you must make a tweak to your routine in some way, shape or form because our body adapts very quickly to what we are doing. Now this is where it gets tricky because everyone takes different approaches to losing weight and everyone is doing something different. Therefore, everyone requires different strategies and tweaks to break through their weight loss plateaus. However, because I can't sit down with you personally to review what you are currently doing in order to give you the exact strategies and tweaks that will work best for you, I will answer the question with the most effective ways you can break through your weight loss plateau. So firstly, begin by looking at your nutrition. Can you tweak anything nutritionally? For example, can you decrease the amount of calories you are consuming? If you can, that is a step you can take immediately. However, if your calorie intake has been low for a long time, which for many people it often is, you should change tack and increase the calories you are eating to your maintenance level calories for a week or two before decreasing your calories again, and this will help many people break their weight loss plateau very effectively. Or you could implement a zigzag approach to your meal plan, where for 5 days of the week you eat in a calorie deficit, and the other 2 days of the week you eat your maintenance level calories, which is an extremely effective method to both losing weight and breaking through your weight loss plateaus. Now, once you have identified any nutritional changes that you can make, if any, then you must look at exercise. Is there anything you can change in your exercise routine? For example, to begin with, if you have been doing the same exercise program for more than 6 weeks, you must change your exercise program. This could be changing the exercises that you are doing, the intensity of your workouts, the frequency of your workouts, and the list can go on and on. So review what you are doing with both your exercise and nutrition and make a tweak to one or both of them, as this is the fastest way to break weight loss plateaus. But don't forget to look at other areas also, such as your sleep routine, because these other areas are also vital to your results and often neglected. Now these are really quick and effective ways to break through your weight loss plateau and the answer to the question, what to do when weight loss slows and plateaus. However, I'm going to give you a couple of strategies and methods right now that will take your results and weight loss to a whole new level while minimizing weight loss plateaus. So make sure you keep watching because you do not want to miss this, especially if your goal is to lose weight. Okay, so the best way to lose weight and also the best way to minimize weight loss plateaus is by being strategic in your weight loss approach from the very beginning. For example, over the past 17 years, I have helped tens of thousands of clients lose weight, losing 80 kilograms, 60 kilos, all the way down to clients losing the last 5 kilos. And these are some of my go-to methods that I use to help them to do so. First up, when it comes to exercise, I get all my online clients to change their exercise program every 4 to 6 weeks. So they will follow my first program for 4 to 6 weeks, then move on to my next program for 4 to 6 weeks, and continue doing this through 6 or more phases of exercise programs, before repeating this process again. Or, for clients who need weekly guidance and variety, if they subscribe to my Lean for Life program, I send them a different workout to complete each week so they're constantly mixing up their workouts. Both ensure clients are challenged with a new stimulus on a regular basis, which forces their body to respond to these new challenges, taking their fitness, strength, and results to new levels, along with helping them to lose weight if that is their goal. Secondly, and when it comes to weight loss specifically, when it comes to nutrition and what they are eating, instead of decreasing your calories to 1200 calories per day or less, like most people do, and then having no room to decrease your calorie intake to break through any weight loss plateaus that arise, I have meal plans where clients will eat 1800 calories per day, and they keep following that meal plan until their weight loss slows. And then, as soon as their weight loss stops and plateaus, they immediately change to my 1600 calorie per day meal plan until their weight loss slows again, in which case they immediately move straight to my 1400 calorie meal plan, along with a few other tricks and tips that I implement within the meal plans themselves. Now, by slowly tweaking calories in this way, it allows for incremental weight loss while putting you in complete control. It is truly empowering to see this process work in full motion, along with seeing a boost to your results every time you change your meal plans, and thereby avoiding those weight loss plateaus that just won't budge. And if that does happen, and weight loss stops completely, because it can still happen, then I have my 1 week weight loss masterclass that doesn't just help you break through your weight loss plateau, it helps you smash right through it, taking your results to a whole new level with 2-a-day training and other strategies that will accelerate your results before you revert back to your normal programs. So if you really want to lose weight effectively, then you should also be strategic in your weight loss approach so that you stay ahead of the game and you are in complete control of your results. So you can do the same thing back home with your exercise and nutrition. Or if you need help and guidance and you want everything mapped out for you, come to philhartson.com and follow my programs and you achieve incredible results.